Let's make an avocado squishy. For this, we need a transparent tape, a scissor, markers, let's make it. First, we have to draw avocado with pencil. Then, knead it with marker. So cute! Fill its eyes with black marker. Then make it colorful with markers. First, we will do green marker. So satisfying! Let's do green color in it. Then make outlines. With a black marker. Let's complete it. Now brown marker. Then pink in its cheeks to make it more cute. Now fold this page. Now apply this transparent tape on it to make it clear. Satisfying! Now cut the blank page. And cut the tape into small pieces. Okay, let's move to next part. Fill some extra paper in it and close it using tape. Close it from all sides. Ta-da! And now it's ready. Cute! Hope you like it. Like and subscribe for more videos.